Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the Ampere circuital law. It states that the line integral of magnetic field across a closed loop is equal to mu naught times the current enclosed by the closed loop, and this closed loop, which is imaginary, is called as Amperian loop. So it states that the line integral of magnetic field across a closed loop is equal to mu naught times the current enclosed by the closed loop, and this loop is this imaginary closed loop is called Amperian loop. So the mathematical form is B dot dl. This circle shows the closed integral. This is B dot dl is equal to mu naught times the current enclosed by the Amperian loop. So let's prove this for a current carrying straight wire. Let's consider a straight current carrying wire carrying current I, and let's imagine an Amperian loop around this current carrying wire. This will be obviously circular because we are imagining it to be circular here. Now we know by right hand thumb rule that the magnetic field lines are in the form of these closed circles around this current carrying wire. So if I want to mark the magnetic field, this will be this way only, and an element of the closed loop, that is Amperian loop. Suppose this also I am taking at the same place, dl. So dl vector is also having the same direction, right? So from here, if I use the expression, I can write, take the left side, this is B dot dl is equal to B dl cos of 0 degree, because here the angle between B and dl is 0 degree. So from here you can write B dl. Also we know that the magnetic field due to a straight wire at distance r is mu naught I upon 2 pi r. If r is the radius of this loop and we are finding the magnetic field at a point on this Amperian loop, so this will be mu naught I upon 2 pi r. So therefore the expression becomes mu naught I upon 2 pi r to dl. We can take these mu naught I upon 2 pi r outside. So mu naught I upon 2 pi r, and we'll integrate this dl, and this integration of dl for the closed path, this complete Amperian loop. So if we integrate dl, it will give us the total circumference of this Amperian loop. So this we can write mu naught I upon 2 pi r into 2 pi r, since dl integration is equal to 2 pi r, that is circumference. Right? So this is the circumference. So this will be cancelled, and this is equal to RHS. That means mu naught I is equal to B dot dl closed integral. So hence proved. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you and have a nice day.